Crack a dry coconut and knucks it like this. Dice coconut cubes small like this. Next time you could chop them a little bit bigger. Grind washed and peeled fresh ginger to puree like this. Pour 2 cups of water into a saucepan. Add the 2 cups of coconut cube pieces with 1 cinnamon leaf. Use 1/4 teaspoon powder instead. And 2 fingers pinch of salt. Cover the pot and turn the stove's flame on low. Make sure it is simmering like this for 20 minutes. After the time, pour 1/2 teaspoon almond essence, 1/2 cup of the ginger puree, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 cups of brown sugar. Stir in like this. Cover the pot. Let it stay for 30 minutes. After that, turn the stove on medium-low. Allow it to bubble for 20 minutes more. From now on, stir in every 5 minutes. Turn the stove up more if need to. You want the caramel to be thick like this in the end. Now do this part quickly before it gets cool. Drop a 1/4 cup of this coconut drops mixture on green banana leaf turned upright on a baking tray or a table. Drop them on a baking tray like this instead. Before you eat the coconut drops, allow it to cool. For the detail, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.